Hey guys, check this out. Hey Gary, forgive me, man. I won't say your call sign. Please forgive me, man. Don't hate all my future garbage. We're looking at eHam. You can find anything you want here, man. You can find a study in sociology. You can find human nature here. You can find the meaning of life here. Now, I was scrolling down eHam like I love to do. Let's get things in gear here. And I came across this article, my first soda activation. Now, I've never done a soda activation, but you know what happened in my first POTA activation? Hey, Fred, do you remember if you spotted me? Because I remember I was out of cell coverage area, but I was spotted before I called my CQ, right? Was that the first time? Oh man, cover your ears. Big boy words coming. Hey Fred, was that the first time you pimped me out? You POTA pimped me, man? And what happened? I called CQ. Nobody came back to me. I called CQ again, and all hell broke loose. All hell broke loose. Bedlam happened. I managed to make one contact, and I said QRZ, and all hell broke loose again. And I keyed up and I said, sorry guys, I got a problem here. I'll be right back if possible. And I was gone. I was gone. Man, I packed up and I ran home to mommy. Only problem is mommy's dead, and so I ran home for a wobbly pop and to calm my nerves and think about things. I needed to do some thinking. I needed a timeout, an adult timeout. 73, man.